Mastering Agile Methodologies. Only Agile teams that ditch predictability can truly thrive in chaos. Which Agile methodology characteristics, when implemented with operational excellence, enable teams to achieve greater flexibility and responsiveness to change, thereby distinguishing them from traditional project management approaches that often prioritize predictability and stability? The Agile Paradox: balancing flexibility and stability in the pursuit of operational excellence. As I sat in the conference room, surrounded by team leaders and stakeholders, I couldn't help but feel a sense of unease. We were discussing the rollout of a new software feature, and the conversation was stuck on the usual conflicting priorities: meeting deadlines versus adapting to changing customer needs. How can we ensure we're delivering what the customer wants, while also staying on schedule? Our product owner asked, a hint of frustration creeping into his voice. I thought back to a similar project I'd worked on years ago, where we'd tried to balance these competing demands. We'd implemented a traditional waterfall approach, prioritizing predictability and stability. But as the project unfolded, customer needs shifted, and we were forced to make costly changes to accommodate these changes. It was a painful lesson, but one that had taught me the importance of flexibility in software development. In that moment, I knew we needed a different approach. We needed to create an environment where flexibility and responsiveness to change were not just tolerated, but encouraged. And that's where Agile methodologies came in. The power of iteration. Fast forward to our team's Agile implementation. We started with bi-weekly sprints, prioritizing features based on customer feedback and market trends. The goal was to create a continuous feedback loop where we could quickly respond to changing customer needs. The first few sprints were rocky, to say the least. We struggled to prioritize features, and our velocity was inconsistent. But, as we refined our process, something remarkable happened. Our team began to gel, communicating more effectively and iterating on our process with each sprint. We introduced daily stand-ups, where team members shared their goals and obstacles. This simple practice helped us identify roadblocks early, and we began to tackle them proactively. Our velocity improved, and we started delivering working software in shorter cycles. The breakthrough: embracing flexibility and change. The real breakthrough came when we shifted our mindset from trying to control the outcome to embracing uncertainty. We recognized that change was inevitable, and that our ability to adapt was key to success. We introduced a change budget, a percentage of our sprint capacity dedicated to addressing changing customer needs. This allowed us to pivot quickly when market trends shifted or customer feedback indicated a new direction. Our team's velocity increased, and we began delivering features that resonated with our customers. We'd achieved a delicate balance between flexibility and stability, where responsiveness to change became a competitive advantage. Operational excellence: the Agile advantage. Looking back, I realized that our Agile implementation was not just about process, it was about culture. We'd created an environment where experimentation, learning, and adaptation were encouraged. In traditional project management approaches, teams often prioritize predictability and stability. But in today's fast-paced, ever-changing business landscape, this approach can be a recipe for disaster. Agile methodologies, when implemented with operational excellence, offer a better way. By embracing flexibility and change, teams can achieve greater responsiveness to customer needs and stay ahead of the competition. It requires a mindset shift, a willingness to iterate and improve continuously. But the payoff is well worth it, delivering high-quality software that meets customer needs, while staying agile in the face of uncertainty. As I left that conference room, I felt a sense of pride and accomplishment. We'd created something special, a team that was not just nimble, but also deeply committed to delivering exceptional value to our customers. And I knew that, no matter what challenges lay ahead, our team was ready to adapt, innovate, and thrive. In the realm of Agile methodologies, Operational excellence is a crucial aspect that empowers teams to thrive in an ever-changing environment. By integrating Agile principles with operational excellence, teams can achieve unparalleled flexibility and responsiveness to change, setting them apart from traditional project management approaches. There are several key Agile methodology characteristics that, when implemented with operational excellence, enable teams to excel in this regard. First and foremost, the fostering of an experimentation culture is essential. In traditional project management, there is often a strong emphasis on following established procedures and avoiding risks. In contrast, Agile methodologies encourage experimentation, allowing teams to iteratively refine their processes and adapt to changing requirements. By embracing experimentation, teams can quickly respond to new information, refine their approach, and innovate solutions. This experimentation culture is a hallmark of operational excellence, as it enables teams to continuously improve and optimize their workflows. Another critical characteristic is the emphasis on continuous learning and improvement. In Agile methodologies, teams engage in regular retrospectives, where they reflect on their processes and identify areas for improvement. This focus on continuous learning enables teams to refine their workflows, eliminate waste, and optimize their operations. By integrating operational excellence principles, teams can further amplify their improvement efforts, driving towards flawless execution and efficiency. Self-organizing teams are another key aspect of Agile methodologies that enable operational excellence. By empowering teams to take ownership of their work and manage their workflows, organizations can unlock their full potential. Self-organizing teams are better equipped to respond to changing requirements, as they can quickly adapt their approach and resource allocation. This autonomy also fosters a sense of accountability, as team members are more invested in the success of the project. The use of visual management tools, such as Kanban boards or Scrum boards, is another characteristic that enables operational excellence. These tools provide a transparent and real-time view of the workflow, enabling teams to track progress, identify bottlenecks, and optimize their operations. By making the work visible, teams can identify areas for improvement and implement changes that drive efficiency and effectiveness. Additionally, Agile methodologies emphasize the importance of collaboration and communication. By fostering open communication and active collaboration, teams can respond quickly to changing requirements and ensure that all stakeholders are aligned. This collaborative approach enables teams to leverage the collective knowledge and expertise of team members, driving towards innovative solutions and minimizing the risk of misunderstandings. Another key aspect of Agile methodologies is the focus on delivering small, incremental increments of value. By delivering working software in short cycles, teams can respond quickly to changing requirements and ensure that the solution meets the evolving needs of the stakeholders. This incremental approach enables teams to refine their solution through continuous feedback and refinement, ensuring that the final product is of high quality and meets the stakeholders' expectations. The emphasis on technical debt management is another characteristic of Agile methodologies that enables operational excellence. By prioritizing technical debt and refactoring, teams can ensure that their solutions are maintainable, scalable, and efficient. This proactive approach enables teams to minimize the risk of technical debt accumulation, which can hinder their ability to respond to changing requirements. Finally, the use of metrics and data analysis is a critical aspect of Agile methodologies that enables operational excellence. By leveraging data and metrics, teams can measure their performance, identify areas for improvement, and track the effectiveness of their processes. This data-driven approach enables teams to make informed decisions, refine their workflows, and drive towards continuous improvement. In conclusion, the integration of Agile methodologies with operational excellence principles enables teams to achieve unparalleled flexibility and responsiveness to change. By fostering an experimentation culture, emphasizing continuous learning and improvement, empowering self-organizing teams, using visual management tools, and leveraging collaboration, incremental delivery, technical debt management, and data analysis, teams can thrive in an ever-changing environment and distinguish themselves from traditional project management approaches.